Hello everyone. Getting started with the first command of this section, we will be looking at the ping only scan command. Now, when we are getting started with the scanning of a network, it becomes necessary to list out what number of hosts are in active state, or we can say what number of hosts are alive. Now, as we have seen in the previous lectures, while using the default nmap command like this one, we have seen that Nmap will display the scanning result for each and every IP. If we will give a range of IPs, it will display the scanning result for all the IPs. Now, this will waste our time in the beginning because the first priority in the beginning is to get a list of active hosts so that further we can only concentrate or focus on that host. So to get the list of the host, we'll be using ping only scan command. Let me clear this out and show you the ping only scan command. Type this nmap space minus sign small s and capital P space and the range of IP 192.168.0 dot either 0 to 255, sorry, or you can just add the entire subnet like 1 forward slash and the 24, which means it will scan the 256 IPs. Let me hit the enter and look at the result. As you can see, it has just list out the active number of hosts and it says 5 hosts are up. It has scanned 256 IP address and you can see what number of hosts are up and what are their IPs. Now, here this MAC address information is based on the condition, like here I am having a root access, that's why I'm getting the MAC address of the this devices. But if you have only the guest access, then you will not find this information. For this information you must be having a root access. So this was our first command of this section, by which we can list out total number of hosts active in a network.